Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Valeera, the stealthy assassin from Heroes of the Storm. We'll cover her core mechanics and how to effectively ambush your opponents. Valeera thrives on surprise, so mastering her stealth is key to success. You'll learn to identify vulnerable targets and execute devastating burst damage. Get ready to become a master of the shadows and dominate the battlefield with precision and power. Valeera's kit revolves around her stealth openers. From Vanish, you can choose between Cheap Shot for a quick stun, Garrote for a crucial silence, or Ambush for high initial damage. A common combo involves Cheap Shot to stun, then follow up with Sinister Strike and Eviscerate for burst. Remember to manage your energy and combo points to maximize your damage output and control in team fights. Your talent choices significantly impact Valeera's playstyle. At level 1, you often choose between talents that empower your Cheap Shot or Garrote opener. Later, you'll decide on an heroic ability. Smoke Bomb provides excellent area denial and escape, while Cloak of Shadows offers crucial spell armor and cleanse. Tailor your build to either maximize burst damage, enhance control, or improve your survivability against specific threats. To truly master Valeera, focus on smart engagements. Avoid diving into full enemy teams. Instead, patiently wait for an isolated target. Utilize bushes and your Vanish ability to re-stealth and reset your cooldowns, allowing for multiple engagements. Communication with your team is vital to follow up on your stuns and silences. Remember, knowing when to retreat and preserve your life is just as important as securing a kill.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.